Justice Seal.
Good evening. Before I begin, I would like to thank all of the teachers who have inspired and motivated me throughout high school. So many have had such a big impact on my life that I truly could not give recognition to only a few. If it were not for these teachers who have given so much of their time and care, none of us would be sitting here today. So I thank you for everything you've given my classmates and me. And I'd also like to thank my family who has motivated me from the start and taught me to never give up on my dreams. High school is just a small taste of what the real world is all about. Like anything else, it has its ups and downs. You make new friends and lose old ones. You get to know people you never would have expected, and you lose touch with the people you thought would always be there. You learn lessons both in and out of the classroom. You make mistakes and learn that every action has a consequence, except for the few times that it doesn't. You learn about disappointment just as you learn about success. Sometimes you work so hard for something, maybe studying for a test or working for an essay, or even applying to your dream school or a big scholarship just to fail. And sometimes it does, sometimes everything does pay off. But you learn that no matter what happens, the best thing you can do is move on and keep trying. And I think, above all, the most important lesson we can take from high school is to follow our dreams. Before me today is a group of students so diverse. Students of all families, backgrounds, cultures, yet we all share one common factor. We all have dreams. It is because of this that we are able to come together today to celebrate the closing of one door and the opening of another. Think back to the first time you were asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? Do you remember your answer to that question? My best guess is it was something like princess or superhero. And as we grew older, our answers changed to more realistic goals. Some of us wanted to be teachers, others firemen, and a few doctors. But even that wasn't set in stone. As we sit here today with our futures laid before us, we all have our own dreams in mind. Some of us aspire to change the world, while others simply want to raise a happy family. Some dream of one day winning a Nobel Prize, while some simply dream of one day owning a world's best mother or father home. No dream is too small or insignificant, nor too big or unattainable. And though a dream can lead to great things, a dream is little without accomplishment. It is not the dream that changes the world or makes a family happy. Rather, it is the action that turns that dream into a reality that makes that difference. You cannot simply dream about graduating high school and expect it to happen. Everyone sitting here today has done what he or she had to do to achieve that goal. And that is what differentiates dreaming from being. As a mad scientist transvestite from outer space said, or saying, should I say, don't dream it, be it. We have spent our entire lives up until this point dreaming. Well, today's the day to start being.
And now I'd like to present this year's valedictorian, Mr. Joey Minton.